As promised, Motorola today launched the Moto G73 in the Indian market. It comes in midnight blue and lucent white colors in a single 8GB, 128GB configuration. It's priced at 18,999 Indian rupees, $230 per €220, and will go on sale in India starting March 16 through Motorola's Indian website, Flipkart, and leading retail stores across the country. The Motorola Moto G73 is powered by the Dimensity 930 SoC and packs a 6.5 Full HD plus 120Hz LCD. It runs Android 13 out of the box and comes with the promise of 3 years of security updates, but it will only get one version upgrade, Android 14. The Moto G73 sports a 50MP primary camera on the rear, joined by an 8MP ultra-wide unit. For selfies and video calls, there's a 16MP shooter on the front. And keeping the entire package up and running is a 5000 mAh battery with 30W charging. The rest of the Motorola Moto G73's highlights include a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, stereo speakers, Dolby Atmos, and IP52 water and dust resistance. It also comes with 5G connectivity, NFC, and a micro SD card slot for storage expansion by up to 1 TB. The Moto G73. Source: Motorola. Motorola has brought the Dimensity 930 SoC in a new package to India in the form of the Moto G73. The new mid-range Android smartphone has landed in its new market with a 50MP main camera and Android 13 out of the box. It has been made available in just one RAM storage configuration, with a release scheduled for later in March 2023. Motorola has augmented its Moto G lineup for the Indian market with the new G73. It is touted to unleash ultra performance with its Dimensity 930 processor, which drives a display that, while not OLED, does have a up-to-date refresh rate and an 1080p resolution. The Moto G73 has also made it to its new market with its 30W charging for a 5000 mAh battery intact, as well as Android 13 out of the box. Motorola India has augmented it with features such as Moto Secure and Family Space, for potentially improved privacy and parental control respectively. The OEM has revealed that the new smartphone will be available in 2 lucent white or midnight blue colorways, both of which have 8GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage, even though 256GB is an option in other markets. Motorola has yet to mention how much the Moto G73 for India will cost when its sales go live on March 16, 2023, however. In the meantime, the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G is also now available on Amazon.in.